Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm here once again with a very exciting freelance opportunity for you. So, if you are a stay at home mom, a person who is looking for like a remote job, a freelance opportunity, you want to start your work from home career or online jobs, you're searching for an online jobs, so you can just subscribe to this channel because I am here to help you getting a very good job as a freelancer, as a like remote working job, so that you can start your career or you can grow in your career. So let's get started with today's video. So the name of the today's company is Paper True. So here you can see the website here. So I'll just open the website in another tab, and here's the website. So the website basically provides editing and proofreading services to its clients. So basically the job is to make all the documents error free, or like simplify the language, and you can see here like you just need to edit the documents you are provided with. They are providing services to the businesses, academic researchers, or authors, and even job applicants who wish editing for their resumes, CVs, or even cover letters. So we are looking for the opportunity, freelance opportunity. So it is so yeah, when you click on its career page, you will get this page. Become a freelance editor with Paper True. So the job is basically uh, as a freelance English editor and proofreader. So here is, it says like, are you looking for freelance editing jobs? Do you love books? Are you passionate about the English language? Do you hate to see grammar errors in anything you read? So you could be a right person to join this job. So here's what you need to do as a freelance editor or at Paper True. You need to copy, edit, and proofread the documents provided. You need to improve language and writing style, eliminate all the errors in the documents, then format documents according to the citation styles, because the research papers have different kinds of citation styles required. So you have to just make sure that the the format is correct, citation style is correct, and you need to provide in-depth feedback to the writers. Then you have to work with writers across many genres, and also you can build your editorial portfolio. So here is what the company is looking for. So as an editor, they are mainly looking for persons who have like excellent linguistic skills with in-depth knowledge of English grammar and an eye for detail, strong communication skills, and a keen sensitivity to the writer's intended message so that they can understand the message and convey it better. And then they must have like good research skills with a high level of curiosity and general awareness. Then they must have like strong time management skills so that they can manage their times as a freelancer, and they can complete the task on time, and an ability to juggle demanding tasks on tight deadlines, because you have to have like uh, submit the tasks within the stipulated time period. And they usually prefer like BA, MA, or like MPhil degree in English or a closely related field. So yeah, here's the earning. So earnings are basically like based on the performance. So they have made grades. So the editors of grade A level, which is advanced level, they will be earning around like 2.15 Singaporean dollar per 250 words, or it's in INR, it is like 125 INR per 250 words. Whereas for grade B editors, which is intermediate level, the payment is around 1.55 Singaporean dollar per 250 words, or in INR it is like around 90 INR per 250 words. Whereas for grade C, which is for beginners, the pay rate is 1.21 Singaporean dollar per 250 words, or 70 INR per 250 words. So yeah, so here are a few benefits that you can consider while working for Paper True. So they have like flexible working hours, and you can choose your timings. As you must be aware that as a freelancer you are like free to work on your own schedule, as long as you are able to complete the given task within time. And uh, and they also provide like feedback from like they have their in-house expert team and who provide feedback to the editors. And you will and yes, you will be able to earn based on your work quality and throughput within centers. So here comes the hiring process. So you first need to apply and send resume, and then you need to attempt an online test. Then they will take around a week time to get confirmation, and then you can like just join their editing team to start. So here is the apply now button, and the paper 2 application, it says like phase 0. So they have like uh, you just need to provide your basic details and your resume and some other details like the country where you belong, and why do you wish to apply for this role at Paper True, positions you wish to apply, like freelance editor, senior editor, editorial coordinator, managing editor, etc., and the degree you have, like email ID, etc. So yeah, this is the phase 0. Link for the test, as it says, the online test. It will be an online test that you need to attempt, and then uh, if you get confirmed, you will be able to join the editing team and start working right away. So I hope you got your answers, then that how you can apply for Paper True as an editor, freelance editor. And I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, please share with other people who are in need of these kind of jobs, who are searching for this kind of jobs, and do subscribe to this channel so that you can continuously get other relevant information related to freelancing, other remote jobs, or like work from home opportunities. So because I'll be updating here lots and lots of different kinds of remote jobs, work from home jobs, and even online jobs, freelance jobs for everyone. Uh, it can be of like any type, for the beginners, for the experienced people. So you can, if you join this channel, you will be able to get all the relevant information and details. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.